How to download and install Kindle app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download the Kindle app on your Android device. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store on your Android device. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in the search section, simply tap on the search bar and type Kindle app and simply search for it. Now on the result, you can see the option Amazon Kindle. So simply tap on that. And after tapping on that, here you can see the install button. So tap on it, and after tapping on it, the installation process will start. Now you just have to wait for some minutes, and once the installation of app is done, you can simply tap on open button to launch the app. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.